Hello guys, so welcome back to my coding walkthrough. Let's see. Yeah, so the first round is done. This is again the second round, which is again going to be should be very straightforward. But let's see. Let's not jump to conclusions too quickly. Okay, so let's quickly read through the description, my environment setup. I've created a new day 2 class, and that's all ready. Okay, so the elves begin to set up camp on the beach. They obviously made their way through the jungle on the way to wherever they're going. So set up camp on the beach. To decide whose tent gets to be closest to the snack storage, a giant rock paper scissors tournament is already in progress. The rock paper scissors is a game between 2 players. Each game contains many rounds. In each round, the players each simultaneously choose one of rock, paper, or scissors. Excuse me. Using a hand shape. Then, a winner for that round is selected. Rock defeats scissors, scissors defeats paper, and paper defeats rock. If both players choose the same shape, the round instead ends in a draw. Appreciative of your help yesterday, one elf gives you an encrypted strategy guide that they say will be sure to help you win. The first column is what your opponent is going to play. A for rock, B for paper, and C for scissors. Not sure why they've chosen those letters, but anyways. A for rock, B for paper, C for scissors. The second column, minus minus. Suddenly the elf is called away to help someone's tent. The second column, you reason, must be what you should play in response. X for rock, Y for paper, Z for scissors. Winning every time would be suspicious, so the responses must have been carefully chosen. The winner of the whole tournament is the player with the highest score. Your total score is the sum of your scores for each round. The total score is the sum of the scores for each round. The score for a single round is the score for the shape you selected, plus the score of the outcome of the round. Okay, this is slightly strange. Since you can't be sure the elf is trying to help you or trick you, you calculate the score you would get if you were to follow the strategy guide. For example, suppose you were given the following strategy guide, blah blah blah. This strategy guide predicts and recommends the following. In the first round, your opponent will choose rock A, and you should choose paper Y. X is yeah. Paper Y, rock, paper, scissors. This ends in a win for you with a score of 8. 2 because you chose paper, plus 6 because you won. In the second round, your opponent will choose paper B, and you should choose rock X. This will result in a loss for you with a score of 1. Third round is a draw with both players choosing scissors, given a score of 3 plus 3 plus 6. Okay, so anyways, let's just do this. That's the strategy guide. So it's in form A space YX. Okay, so we'll do let's do like a list of moves. We'll do a char array. Moves equals new array list. Charm is a new array list, and for each line we shall do moves dot add new char. We'll do, it's going to be annoying because we can do line.split. Split by space. That's going to give us a string, and I want to make it char. Dot map. Don't like this. Let's do string. Okay, so move.add, and I've got all the moves in a row. So now for each move we need to make a calculation. I might not even need to store it. Okay, so let's do total score. Int total score equals 0. And at the end we return the total score. Return again, return total score. First round, your opponent wants to choose rock A, and you should choose paper Y. This ends as a win for you with a score of 8. 2 because you chose paper, and this is here, the shape. The score is a similar score to score for a single round is the score of the shape you selected. So let's make it cheeky. 1 for rock, 2 for paper, 3 for scissors. This is a bit of a rubbish way to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. So list string move scores equals list dot of, and 1 for rock, so I'll do an empty string and then rock, which is X, Y, Z, and then we can just do the index of, and that will get us a score. Anyone who knows the array lists, in the first round you're blah 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 6 because you won, so what is it? 3 if the round is a draw, 6 if you won, 0 if you lose. I'm going to make a little cheeky little method. Public, let's do private actually. Private static int score. We'll do string your hand, string opponent hand, and then we do if your hand dot equals opponent hand, then we return 3. Trying to think of a clever way to map which hand beats which hand. Okay, so rock, paper, scissors. So rock beats paper beats rock, scissors beats paper, paper beats rock. No. Rock, paper, scissors. Scissors beats paper, paper beats rock. Rock beats scissors. So it's if the index is highest, is higher. stupid. This is stupid. Opponent moves scores. So I think if we know if player moves scores, opponent moves scores. This is annoying. That won't even work. Let's do that as a final. Control X. Index of your hand. Opponent hand. Static final private static. That's a draw. Rock, paper, scissors. The index. Rock, paper, scissors. Paper beats that. Rock, paper, scissors beats that. If player moves scores dot index of your hand is greater than opponent moves scores dot index of opponent hand. If rock, paper, scissors. This is so complicated. It's not complicated at all, just this is a pain. What is the description? Do I care? I don't care if they win, I only care if I win. Player who scores, index of your hand. so if the only time it isn't is if it's crazy rock, paper, scissors, Z against A equals Z, and opponent hand dot equals A. Return. Oh no. Okay, so int output equals player move scores dot index of your hand. Player hand. Player hand. Output. So we start off with that. So output +3. Now if index of player hand is greater than if index of Z. I think that might work. Return no, -1 shouldn't work. Total score plus equals score. Line dot split. It's a bit of a ugly hack, but anyways. It's the opponent score. Strange. We got results. Let's just see if it works. Okay, so let's do it again. Task guy, step in. XC. Is that right? X is player, C is the opponent. So X is rock, C scissors. X is rock. X, Y, Z. A, B, C. Rock, scissors. So player hand should win. So X already, we got a 1. 1 for rock, yeah. And it doesn't equal, so it shouldn't match there. Player hand is X. Ah, it's less. Rock. Rock beats scissors. So we have a problem. We have a problem. Player moves scores, index of player hand. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's do it if it's less. A bit of a nasty hack. If the player hand is less, rock is less. Rock, paper, scissors, and unless it's equals X, opponent hand equals C, 10 out plus 6. No. 10 output plus 6, otherwise return output because we lost. $14,069. Apologise to anyone watching, I am absolutely shattered. Really good. It's getting quite late, so my commentary is a bit rubbish. Anyway, so first half of this puzzle is complete. It provides 1 gold star. The elf finishes helping with the tent and sneaks back over to you. Anyway, the second column says how the round needs to end. X means you need to lose. Y means you need to end the round in a draw. And Z means you need to win. Good luck. The total score is still calculated in the same way, but now you need to figure out what shape to choose to the round ends as indicated. For example, above, because of this first round your opponent will choose rock. You need to end in a draw, so you also choose rock. Okay, cool. So let's make another score one, which is what we're going to want. Fix, let's call it fix score. Fix score. We have the opponent hand, and we need to know string required result. Okie dokie, so so if opponent hand if it's a draw. Required result equals draw is y. Y return three plus opponent move scores dot index of opponent hand. Well, that covers a draw. Now, if a win is required, if required result dot equals x, require loss. If we choose a less, the opponent chose rock, rock, paper, scissors, rock, paper, choose paper, we choose rock. This is a loss. X is a loss, I think. X means you need to lose. So if we need to lose, if they choose rock, we choose scissors. But if they choose rock, if they choose paper, we choose rock. If they choose scissors, we choose paper. We choose one below. Unless it's one below. If they choose rock, we need to then go rock, paper, scissors, we need to choose the last one. So X return. Yep. So if opponent hand dot equals, if we need to lose, if theirs is rock, if theirs is paper, we choose rock. Okay, so if it does not equal to A, then we return X is a loss, return opponent move scores dot index of A, no, of their move, opponent hand -1. So if they choose rock, paper, we lose with a rock, which is worth 1. If they choose rock, paper, scissors, we lose with a paper, which is 2. That's the index -1, and we lose, that's all the points we get. Great. If it requires, if required result is a loss. But if it is an A, then we return rock, paper, scissors. We have to play with scissors, which is worth 3. So we just return 3. But I'll be nice and return index of scissors, which is A, B, C. Scissors, which is Z for us. Okay, I think that's okay. If we require X, Y, if we require win, the opponent hand does not equal a C, rock, paper, scissors. Retire rock. We choose the one before. So upon this is so annoying. So if opponent hand, if they rock, paper, scissors, if they choose scissors, we win using the rock. You always choose the one afterwards. If they choose rock, we win rock, paper, we win paper. If they choose paper, we win with scissors. If they choose C, we win with A. Okay. Return opponent hand does not equal A, return it +1. Otherwise, return index of A. If it is equal to C, rock, paper, scissors, we return rock. I think a win is 6. Index of A +6 gives a win. So I think +1 +6 because it's a win. It's a loss. Alright, let's see if this works. Let's see. This is fixed score. So now what I want to do is let's do that as false. True. Here we'll do a Boolean fixed score. If fixed score is true, we do that, else we do that, but this is actually the else stage. And if it is fixed score, then total score plus equals fixed score, opponent hand required result. We'll just do line.split. Line.split is 0 and 1. See what we get. 1185. Okie dokie, let's go through this again. Okay, so C and X. Opponent hand is C, rock, paper, scissors, and we need to do X, Y, Z. We need to lose. So we need to give paper. We need to give paper. Required result equals X is true. So required result is opponent hand is C. Required result is loss. So we need to rock, paper, scissors. We need to return rock, paper. We need to return 2. Good. Front hand is C, required result, loss. Hey, we're just not. Oh, 3 in a row of losing. Step in, A and Z. So that means the opponent hand is an A, it's rock, and the Z means we need a win. Rock, paper, so we need to return. Let's get to Z is true. We need to return it +1. Indexed of opponent hand +1. Oh, that's the winning one. mistakes. We want to return. That's not even in that array. So the point is a rock. Return a rock. It's paper. Rock, paper, scissors. And if it's return rock, and if it's a rock, then we return rock, paper, scissors. Return scissors. I think that was it. That was the mistake. 12, 4, 1, 1. Bingo. Bingo. Second row is complete. Voila. And that, guys, was day 2. Ciao for now. And see you in a bit.